All right, good morning to you. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope all is well with you. The issue of federal government of Nigeria pushing to change, the sentence they gave to Master Mandekano from life imprisonment to death penalty. Some people have reacted on that, but some are still confused about it. To be honest with you, this is the reason why I felt so bad each time I come across videos of some people who claim to be Igbos that are pushing and calling Namorgano's name and saying that he committed this, he committed that, doing the job of the people who want him dead. And some people, that are from the US who used to call him names, who used to say that he squandered their money, he's a womanizer, he's this, he's that. After the video of Ralph Wazirike, of course, we have reacted on that video. And some people see it as just like a normal video. I don't know why some people don't take it serious. I have poured my own feeling on that. I don't want to go back there because as no kamali jesu ebekari akwa nwa owo ogia woke ogia why odiko ya buria. So we are all Igbos. Whatever that may be the outcome, we will all face it. Nobody is more Igbo than other. You cannot be more Igbo than me, or I'm not claiming to be more Igbo than you. But the only thing is that some people don't understand the gravity of what some of our brothers are doing. Nneka Chimeze, Kesho, so Charles Soludo, all these governors, of course, Ike Guruago, and all these DOS members. Some of them are not saying, after that video, because it's not done on them, that truly Nigerian government is wishing, genuinely coming after Masangano's life. And some of them are not saying, no, he don't deserve this. So after you must have wasted time attacking him and saying all these things. You may wonder why do I bring DPM and USB government foreign affairs department, and of course, I'm not that I'm doing comparison, but I want to remind you that as we are criticizing as we are somehow not happy with what some people are saying, I guess Master Manakano, when you look at the other side, you see USB government pushing for recognition, following the template of Master Manakano without calling for anybody's life. When you turn around to DOS, you see them telling you that even as of yesterday, some are still telling you that Biafrans are the one buying people. This guy called Ebo Kwedike is still busy. That Master Namorgano said and his sister are involved in kidnapping. I don't know why some are like that. And these individuals are faceless. Okay, what do you think that he wants to achieve with this kind of lies? Even if you have the evidence, even if you think or you say that you have evidence, let other people see this evidence to start believing what they're saying. But you see, all this noise is the reason why the Nigerian government is doing what they're doing. USB government it's not as if they don't hear what is going on. They do, but they understand that it is not what they will waste time to start talking about and all that. Some people said that what happened in Brazil is DOS that made it possible and all that. I don't know, to be honest with you. But whether it's DOS or not, I don't care to know anymore, because anybody can frame up anything. I don't trust any of all these DOS members, what they're saying. They can frame anything and claim they're the one. This guy you are seeing here residing in Brazil, and he's a direct brother, according to people. I don't know. They said that he's his direct brother to China Sanwo-Olu. So he made a new video, and I wanted to hear that. Before then, please do me a favor, like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Hear what he said.
The government the evidence, and the evidence are referred to Mazen and the Kano siblings, and the Alod Jimako. So the only way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can save himself is to align with the IPOB who have been defending him, who have been exonerating him, disassociating him from these particular people, who have been shouting that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not know these people. He doesn't know them, he doesn't know Simon, he doesn't know this, he doesn't know this, he doesn't know this. I said, that is the only way. When he aligned with IPOB will be giving him the real truth and the message. Oga, puta. Okay, I want to ask you, do you know that it was IPOB that make arrangement for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to speak, at least to be speaking in camera, in court? How many of you know? That was the reason why that arrangement was made, so that he will come out to exonerate himself, and where we are fighting, and because he have opportunity. Because remember, he is in detention, and those that visit him will be the one giving him message. He doesn't know much about outside. That is why those people, they use the advantage, which is Alloy. Alloy use the advantage to facilitate the job of Nigeria government against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. By going there, the whole drama started when Alloy started going there to say IPOB is not doing anything. Simon Ekpa is the one doing everything to make sure you come out. And our leader did not ask in which way is he doing it. This is where they carry problem put on.
Now, this is just to show you that the mindset and the agenda is, this guy is just trying to, he's speaking from the angle of, from the, from the side of his own jealousy, like the anger he's nursing in his mind. The jealousy and the envy is what is driving this guy and their group. Now, he said by them that they are the one defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So if you are the one defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then what's the sense of paying lawyers? Since you got, because they always want to put themselves in a very high level. They are, we are the one defending you, defending you. Mazi Nnamdi don't need you to remind him to distance himself from, from the so-called crime. You guys are the one shouting there's a crime being committed in Igbo land, there's a crime, that is crime. If not even federal government. You have cried about this crime more than the Nigerian government. Now, as you're saying this crime, you claim that you know who is committing the crime. Now, you said that it's Simon Ekpa, but you people have a group called Dead Best Squad. You have Ibubago, you have Udo Gacha, you have all this. And some of these crimes that you are talking about, evidences and people that are being kidnapped, testifying of those who kidnapped them, you don't talk about it. You convert all the crime being committed in Igbo land, and put it on Simon. At the same time, you want to arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also. You are the one that to cry. You are the one to cry. There's a crime committed. You also the one. You also be the one to say that you know those that committed the crime, and you think that you're in position to exonerate somebody who can kill the Bologene. Okay, now that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is not even here, and you started tagging the crime to him, because what to prove to him, that someone that you that Allah you told that he's doing something, he's the one that is going to kill you from bitterness, from their own bitterness, from their own mindset, envy and jealousness or jealousy. From them, from day one, they don't like PM, we know, and until this day, they still don't like PM. They're doing everything to put him in prison or jail him and all that. Somebody said that Methuselah is calling for protests for PM in Finland. I'm yet to watch that video. I'm gonna go through his video to see if that is true or not. I have not verified it, but when I expect it, because what this thing they're doing now is actually delivering a lot of people, bringing people together. In case what they are doing is actually bringing people together, because people are not seeing through their mindset. They are still carrying their flag. Okay, if you want, do you want freedom, or do you just want to build what I don't know? This is not how to fight freedom. Okay, I'm not here to tell you who is fighting or who is not fighting, but any sensible human being can see the mindset of these people. Hear him again.
This man head. Or choosing in which way go ja work here since Robo on IPOB.
Can you imagine?
But Robo on IPOB.
He must be IPOB member to work in favor. I don't know the mindset of this. And these are matured men. Look at this.
Kwesịrị imere ya this thing. Kese ka o ji bụrụ Simon na-abụghị onye IPO ọ jụrụ ajụjụ ahụ. Ihe a gwara ya bụ
even Masmakano and Simon go IPOB. Like before you people have a program platform of Simon, you guys insisted that Simon must take an oath. Yet, you kind of go and blow IPOB. Don't you think that I saw the Masmakano when you said that? Masmakano will know that these guys are a bunch of propagandists. But there's something somebody said that this fact you guys are pushing, if Masmakano go down for that everybody will receive it. I said it before. You guys don't ask questions. This thing that you guys are calling for Masakano to be eliminated. Do you think that if they buy Masakano, God forbid, you think that if his supporters will just be looking at you guys like that? It is not possible because I know Igbo people are like that. That's why I always said you don't bring this internal problem that you guys are pushing. It has been the number one prayer point of Yorubas and in Fulanis. And that's what people don't understand. Anyway,
it is someone that is doing everything to make sure you come out. I'll never blame him on this area. I never blame him because he doesn't know much what is going on outside.
There's something going outside that other people don't know. If a lawyer because say that Thomas Nogan is right. Okay, if not, then don't you okay, let me ask you. Why is it that after the arrest of Simon Ekpa, all of a sudden, Nigerian court find it worthy to try him, to jail him, but when someone was there, and that nobody was talking about it. And you guys know this, that's why you are pushing, doing everything possible to take someone away so that the trial and everything cannot go smoothly. That you guys worked hard, the Nigerian government, to try Masamakano, to prove to him that you guys are innocent or you are doing the right thing. Like, look at it today. That's why I say sometimes people will, you will think that you are acting nicely or you are cracking joke, you are making fun, without knowing that what you are touching is a very, very dangerous thing. I don't want Igbo land to be on fire, to be honest. I don't want it, but where you guys are going, you get as a view. You get as a B. I continue.
Remember, when Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Mike Ezekome was in his case, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor will go there, tell him that Simon Ekpa is committing crime in his name. When Barrister Ifeanyi,
how do they know? Because that one is working hand in hand with them. He's committing crime in his name. Even though there's not one video, not two, several videos of PM Simon Ekpa saying it publicly that whatever I'm doing has nothing to do with Masman. You guys keep busy wiping that message away, taking it away. PM have said it down with that number. Whatever that we are doing, that's what is you normally use it. Whatever that we are doing now, whatever decision that we are taking now has nothing to do with Masman Monica. And that is why they're holding him. So he's now serving, and you guys are transferring the same crime that he's paying price for to Masman Monica. Why? Anyway, to me, there's no crime. Masman don't commit any crime. But do you know why I use that word, the crime he's paying? Because that's what you guys say. So that you understand my point. I'm not subscribing that PM committed any crime. Because most of the crime that you guys are doing is stage managed. You guys have actors that will do those things for you. We know I mean only God knows the minds of some people. But what will I say?
Joffo will come out. He will do press conference. He will address all Biafra. He will say, I heard him very, very well in two of his conference after visiting Mazen Nandekano. He said, IPOB Jishinike Lihunu Leme. Now Simon Epa in Finland is working with Nigeria DSS. That is how but Stefan Joffo put it. He said he's working with the DSS in order way to implicate Mazen Nandekano.
So you now see the genesis of the same claim. And then you now, so who is framing those things up? You don't need to separate Mazen Nandekano from, because someone himself said it. So how do you think that the Joffo's own will be more louder? Or what if you truly you guys love Mazen Nandekano as you claim? You shall be using that video of PM Simon Ekpa to debunk any link up. If link up is a problem. But what do you do? When you notice that the link up is not working, you started reminding Nigerian government that Simon Ekpa, and of course, agents of the government, the people that are truly working with the DSS, are not hiding it. Keshosh and Jovika, they're telling you, they see all of you as one. Everybody, you guys are one. And hearing from what you guys are testifying, they will say it's true. Ordinary people will say, no, it is true.
They started insulting him. They started planning how they are going to kill him because he told the Biafrans the real truth. Then one other lawyer, who is a Jamaican, now went there. You see where the whole matter complicated. Now telling the same man that the people who are on a good track to secure his release are not doing anything. So if you are Mazen Nandekano, who will you tell thank you? So the thank you Mazen Nandekano said severally to Ejimako, to Pastor Simon Ekpa, that was recorded by DSS, that was used against him in a court. Mazen Nandekano is right.
The trial that you follow, there's nothing like evidence about thank you. Please correct me on the commission. Did you that day they tried Mazen Nandekano sentenced him? Did you hear anything like, oh, did you say thank you to Simon Ekpa? Personally, I did not hear that, and I spent 7 hours online that day, 7 hours plus. One of the longest live stream we have done here. Okay, there's another one at almost 11 hours, but this one is one of, and that was the first time that I streamed more than 6 hours. That was the first time. The day they tried Mazen Nandekano, we were on live broadcast for a very long hour, and that video is still here on this channel. But I maybe I skipped, but I don't know. I can't remember or recall any time such thing it was mentioned. But this man is here.
Because the message came, said, Lion Man, okay, for example, Lion Man is not doing anything, no.
That's it, he called himself Lion Man.
To help you.
Is that his real name? Lion Man. And these are people that, like me, I'm not fighting bringing Biafra for you. I'm not representing. But he's an activist. He's a freedom fighter. They are in leadership. But his name is Lion Man. Anyway.
Person who is doing something to help you is Methuselah. Who do you want the Mazen Nandekano to tell thank you? Is it not Methuselah?
So the problem to him is thank you.
While Methuselah are the one creating problem that may affect him there. Now somebody deliberately went there and said, it is Methuselah that is doing something to save you.
Now, move go from Simon, now also Methuselah. Just because of this challenge that he's challenging you guys. He understands what you guys are doing. Envy and jealousy. The same thing that PM complained. That is what is holding. And these are okay, okay, natural. Thank you for much. Thank you. What is thank you? If you are proud of what you have done, then why must you fight dirty to prove what exactly? To prove what actually? What is that thing?
Lion man hates you. Lion man doesn't want to hear anything about you. He doesn't even care. He doesn't
What is hate if not what you guys are doing?
even do anything. Because
Are you not doing a benefit and said that Nagati Manon is in your because again
Lion man said Etibula Azobula. While onye call us say Tigbo Zogbo.
who is okay, just let me not claim, let me not say because I'm not sure. Let me pretend that I don't know. Of course, I don't know, but I've heard it from many people for years now that your brother Chinasa Woru is the owner of Dead Man Squad. Is it true? So Mazakan was built the ESN, your brother built Parallel Arm Group, pretending that one is ESN also. That Mazakan, somebody is the one causing problem, right? They captured somebody and interviewed the person. The person said that my sponsor is Chinasa Woru. The demand can employ you to create a group that the Nigerian government will capture and interview and testify that Chinasa Woru is my sponsor. Not, and he said they are ESN. And we are looking for somebody that is causing problem. So when the Nigerian government check on those that are Ejiofor is telling the whole world that there's no problem, that the IPOB continue to, they will find Chinasa Woru as a member, but they have a record of a criminal that testify that Chinasa Woru is my leader. The moment Chinasa Woru made that move is a problem. Then Chinasa Woru, which of course the DOS and your group, and that have not agreed, accept that he known anything about this group, to take responsibilities of that. He denied it and pushed it to Mass American indirectly. Then you now see Samarepa, who said I am the one that command this group, I give instruction. It has what to do with Mass American. He said not one, not two, not three, and you guys are aware. That means he's taking responsibilities of whatever has come from what he decided to do. Who if you are to the Mass American, who do you think you will believe? You get the point now.
In fact, beat this person, slap this person. Lion man said, no, don't slap anybody, don't beat anybody. This matter will be resolved. We will know how to go about it. You now look at Lion man and say, how? If you don't kill, if you don't blow somebody, if you don't punch somebody on the face, how this matter will work? I said no.
Your comparison is out of it.
It don't require, this matter does not require to punch. This matter requires that all of us sit down. We discuss man to man. We get something out of it. It doesn't require blow. It doesn't require slap. It doesn't require stoning. No. You now say Lion man is very weak. He's a weak man. Get out of the way.
Even Chinasa Woru said that someone is claiming what he did not do. That when men do something, he claim everything. People hate him. Okay, the audio that where he's saying that, where they are calling him for assassination. I mean, this guys think that people don't listen to those things or what. Engineer Canada is doing a very good job exposing. Like I don't know others, I don't follow them to the extent of knowing this kind of thing. But what Engineer Canada and all these people that are, that have worked with them, what they're saying, and I don't have any choice than to believe it personally. Oh, they said about this guy, boy. I bet. What kind of broadcast is that?
And along the line, causing the trouble. He even have luck and go to a place where he can communicate. Then he refused to communicate. He now went back to those people who caused him trouble too. And as he went back to them, government has seen it. All the whole agents are seeing these things.
The government saying it is you guys. The number one problem of mass American is you people. Like, you're not even government. You guys are the one telling government to go and issue him death penalty. But like I said, if anything happened to him, that is my fear. Do you understand? Apart from the pain that you lost someone like Mass American, God forbid. Another thing is what will be the fate of the region? I swear that if he made him imagine the men are lying or they are not form. Like, even let's assume that even if God forbid, just God forbid, okay? Because unimaginable things may happen. It's just a prediction. I don't have any people. I'm not saying people are going to commit anything. I'm not threatening anybody. But I foresee that if that thing happen, it will trigger. You know, Master can they ask him if what you are doing now, if push get to shot, will you go to war? He said no. That he's going to use truth. They asked him, this Biafra, if Biafra, what is your fate? If the Biafra did not come, he said that he will keep on pushing until Biafra comes or death. He said, well, the man who said death. I said, yes. He said it. That if he died, that he will come faster. Believe me, it is true. But I don't want it to get to that level because you know go funny. Okay, you know go funny. God forbid that let's just not even contemplate it. Because people will not value life anymore. It's all you guys are because just imagine that only this sentence that was Rick, of course, who have been working with all of you, came out and began to throw more light on your agenda because you guys expect Ajimako to announce it for you because you guys are the one working behind the scene, doing everything. But to Muchi, everybody is not talking. Oh, we don't, after my meeting and all that, I don't want to talk about it. But at the end of the day, God forbid, if anything happen, you know, go funny. I'm just saying it will not be very, it will not be easy at all. Because people may not value life anymore. People will donate their life to revenge. You guys say like what people and Keshos, all this thing you guys doing it will be a child play. Let us just if not, no go days. Even in outside the country, people will be, picky people. That is just the fact. And they will vow to go in for that as long as they pick you. Which is something that nobody should imagine. Not at all. But if I go to ask the ones that did you try for Oshirichi Agamba. If you want to show your grievances, your anger, animosity, know the limit to this kind of Masmagano head and all that should stop with immediate effect. Was really Ketanan, before now, people are watching and monitoring and following everything. You think the Masmagano end up in Sokoto? She may say it's not changing changing words. Most of them they are not trying to change their sentence. I watched some of their video. I was like, look at. Imagine if that thing happened. Well, you think you delete your video? That's why I don't talk about anybody. I don't make a video. You need video. I don't make a video to Gand by IPOB, like some of you are doing, driving joy from that. Anyway, I'm gonna end it. The video is getting too long, so I'm sorry about it. This kind of video should be presented in a live broadcast. Maybe we're gonna touch it later, but I'm not sure. I just want you to understand that those that are coming from Americana's head are not trying to retract their word, but they're confused because if you listen to them, you still see them promoting the same thing over and over again. How can have a group who say that they are the one doing something for Muslim Americana, but they are working with those who are coming from Muslim Americana's head. They hired a woman who is saying the same that the king is saying, and the woman is also bantering Udene and the king. I mean, confusion everywhere. Lack of planning, no strategy, nothing. They're just confused. You see, sometimes you go on your Facebook, you see somebody that telling that DOS are wise. The DOS is the way to go. The long live DOS. That Udele and the group are stupid, but this Udele and the Ken guru we are talking about are the agent of DOS. They are together. These are their boys. Does it mean that they don't know who we are praying and wishing to? I mean, confusion everywhere. US government are busy doing something, and you guys are busy yapping and gossiping. Thank you so much, my people. Let me know what you think about it. Like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. God bless you, and bye bye for now.